Circular saws. This illustration shows work that involves cutting an object with an electric saw. Always put the object to be cut on a workbench to keep it stable. If it is unstable, the tool could recoil, and you could cut your own leg. Key safety points. Is the blade undamaged? Are all bolts and screws tight? Are the flexible cables undamaged? Is there a ground system? Is the protective cover in proper condition? Is the brake in proper condition? Is the saw used on a stable base? Wearing work gloves while using a circular saw is prohibited. Is the circular saw making any abnormal sounds while in use? Are you making sure you do not carry a circular saw while the blade is moving? Are workers checking the position of the cable before cutting?